Need to be quiet. Oh, yeah, shout out to Liz. Be quiet. Guys, can I explain something to you? There's a classroom next door and a classroom over here. We're not outside. We're not in the park. There's no reason for you to scream. Relax. I know that you're going to have tomorrow off, and Thursday off, and Friday and Saturday, and you're excited because I'm going to give you homework and you have all that time to do it. That's not mean. I care. Bah humbug. All right, let's do this thing. Let's finish this. Hold on. Let me call somebody who cares. Oh, wait. Nobody cares. All right, here we go. Let's use the following graphs to find the equation of linear relationships. So on this one, guys, settle down. On this one, what we have to do is figure out what this is, and they want us to write down the equation. So if I draw the line like this, right, I'm just going to pick 2 points. And by the way, if I do the rise over run, it looks like it's going to go through the origin. Okay? So but I need to verify it. So I'm going to pick these 2 points. This point looks like 2, 60. This point way up here looks like 4, 120. So if I find the slope on that, I'm going to say the slope is equal to 120 minus 60 all over 4 minus 2. Okay? That's going to give me 60 over 2, which reduces down to m equals 30. The last thing I need to do is I'm going to pick an x and a y value and plug them in. In other words, y equals 60 when x equals 2, and that gives me my b term, plus b. So what I did is I wrote down y equals mx plus b. Okay, so I get 60 equals 60 plus b. I subtract 60 from both sides. What's 60 minus 60? 0. So in this particular case, b equals 0. So my equation is y equals mx, but m is equal to 30, x plus b plus 0. Do I need to write the plus 0 down? No. Now over here, when I draw the line, is that going to cross at the origin? No. Same thing. I'm going to go through and crank through and do the math. I'm going to say m equals, so I'm going to pick 2 points. I'll pick this point because it's on the corner, and I'll pick this point because it's on the corner. So this one looks like 4, 12, and this one looks like 8, what would this be? If they're counting by 4, 22. So I got 22 minus 12 all over 22 minus 12 all over 8 minus 4. This is going to be 10 divided by 4. If you plug that in your calculator, it's 2.5. Now I got to find for b. So I'm going to click an x and a y value and plug it into this equation, y equals mx plus b, and then solve for b. So I'm going to say y, which is 12, should equal 2.5, which is the slope, times the x value, which is 4, plus b, but I don't know what b is yet. What's 2.5 times 4? 10, plus b. I subtract 10 from both sides. What's b? 2. Yeah, 2 equals b. So then my equation of the line is y equals m, 2.5, times x plus 2. Now, what I want you to do before you start your online homework is to do these problems and see if you get these answers, but I will give you the answers. This one is going to be y is equal to 20x plus 30 if you crank through and do the math on that. And then they ask you what would it be at 5.5 hours. You're going to let x, when x equals 5.5, y will equal 140. So you plug that in for x. You plug the 5.5 in here and crank through and do the math. Okay? And that's it. Okay?